going, Keith?
Good, Andrew. How are you going?
Andrew and Keith, Inside AV.
We're going to do our first experiment.
We are. We have here, this is the rig, TV, DVD player, and all important, Brett, our fabrication man, created test rig for HDMI cables. We have two cables. Monster, $149.
$149.
And this one?
$14.
$14.99.
$14.99.
Can you believe it?
No.
Contractor special, $14.99, 3D ready, 1080p,
Ethernet.
high speed. Does that have Ethernet?
Yep.
Yeah, it says it on
3D.
there.
Yep.
And as does the 700 series Monster. Both 1 metre lengths. We're going to test them in the rig for...
Structural integrity.
We are.
And see what happens.
Let's have a look at the rig.
Keith.
Andrew, here we go with our test.
Okay.
This is generic HDMI cable.
So, alright, so you plug that into the test rig and we'll get a picture on the screen.
Connected.
It's like magic, isn't it? Technology's amazing.
I'll just take.
Ignore the poor picture there, folks. That's some file footage in a documentary shot in the 70s. Yeah. Okay, so I see what you're doing there. You clamp it right up.
I think we just need to go firm. We're not crushing the cable, we're just clamping.
No, it's important that we don't crush it in some way.
So
Perhaps hold it together better than it otherwise would. So over here we've got DVD player, quality brand, TV, mediocre brand. Start twisting, I suppose.
we're just going to go in a
Yeah, I actually think we just go up, down, left, right.
up, down, left,
Sort
right.
of in a... Okay, well it's interesting that you've got that drop out there. Oh, that cable's rooted. Alright, we're back now. That previous glitch was in fact the joiner in the cable, which we're going to come back to at the end of this clip. Yeah, just hold that up again, Keith. Try to avoid using those in any kind of system, they're useless. Okay.
We're going
Now we've already flogged the crap out of this cable. This is the $14.99 cable. You can see that now the picture is stable now that we've got rid of the connector. Now I'll let you into a secret, Keith. I tried to destroy one of these cables yesterday. I did eventually.
It's like a workout.
Brett and I were giving it a flogging. We could not kill the thing. So just speed it up. It just won't break.
So we're not speeding up the camera, we're just speeding Keith up.
Now I cannot believe that that is working through that. Now just to demonstrate that that is the cable, can you just unplug from the Blu-ray player for a second? And picture's gone, plug it back in. It's actually a DVD player, sorry. Okay, picture's back, keep going. Now just is the $14.99 special, as in $15. Now just rip it apart.
I think the picture got better. I don't think I can.
Well, Brett eventually did kill it, but it took 5 minutes of, and they ended up just tearing it apart. So I think you can safely say there is nothing wrong with the construction of that cable. Oh, I dare you to wreck it. Just to your left, there's a ball peen hammer.
I don't want to break the rig.
Look, what's wrong with you, Keith? A simple request. I want you to stop this highly expensive HDMI cable from working. Yes! Okay, well it fell out of the rig. We're now tightening it up. You can see the picture's back.
We don't care how tight we do it.
No, do it as tight as you want. Okay, reef away. I just want it dead at this point.
Oh.
Oop. and success. Okay, alright, now let's go the Monster.
Rightio, we've got the second cable to go in the rig.
Yeah, well, we've seen how the first one went. Amazing, really. Let's have a look at the Monster.
Let's get it out of the packet.
So, one point for Monster, managing to make packaging that can be opened without an axe, chainsaw, secateurs.
We might be able to return this back from the shelf.
What do you mean, what?
So here we go.
So you're going to insert that into the rig.
Let's give it a...
Let's see if we get a picture.
There we go.
Thankfully, yes. So really just tight enough just to hold the thing in position initially. I suppose start
to
whale away on that thing. Seems like a bit of a waste of a $149 cable. Well, nothing wrong with that.
It's doing a good job.
It's as advertised so far. So, you haven't done a workout today, Keith? Or
Oh!
what the hell? Ah, that's not right. You must have loosened it. No, that can't be right. You've hardly touched the thing. Nah, it's not possible.
Check the connections again.
Oh, yeah, just loosen it off and oh, there we go. It's
we're
back. Yeah, that's good. Had me worried there for a second because that's ridiculous. The $14.99 one lasted for minutes and minutes of thrashing.
Clamp it down again. It's gone.
What?
I've wrecked it.
So let me get this straight. The one that claims that it's got the best structural integrity and costs 10 times as much as the other one lasts for 1/10 as much time, that's not possible.
I think we got 30 seconds out of it.
It was a very generous 30 seconds, I don't think it was even that. Just loosen off the clamp again and let's just... It's not looking good, is it?
We killed it.
Oh, well, there you go, folks. We're as shocked as you are. After the $14.99 are lasting so long, we fully expected this one to go, well, at least as long. Huh.
Oh, here it comes.
It's got to lock in. Are you holding it in the right spot? Just prove the test rig if you would, Keith. Plug the...
Blue straight in.
yeah. And on that note, we'll sign off and have a think about that.
That was interesting.
So let's have a look at the damage. Keith.
Rightio, so Mr. Monster, I can't see the damage. Actually, I've forgotten which ends was in the rig and
I
which
thought
one
there was a
in-
little bit of a
Maybe this
bit
one.
of a light discolouring where the plastic had been bent. What about the other one? Our expensive one.
Well,
As in tongue-in-cheek expensive one, the $15 one. So it's obviously torn apart a bit.
that's it.
Yeah.
This end's the DVD end. It's perfect. We'll stick them back in
Okay.
one at a time.
Have you decided which end is which yet with that Monster?
Yeah, I think this is the end. Still playing.
Still playing, but obviously no picture. Alright, I'll plug the other one back in.
Damaged end.
Interesting.
But still damaged.
How do you make it stop?
There.
Oh, okay, yep. So what are you doing there? You're pushing it right down. Get it going, you know. You. So the bottom line is, $15 one still works, $150 one cactus.
Can't get it to
I'm
work.
still astounded at
So our rig's still in good shape.
the rig isn't going to break. Now, what I'd like you to do, Keith, is just show me something that I think might be the difference between, in a positive way, that something the Monster has that the cheaper cable doesn't have.
These little lugs.
It's got the little lugs that obviously help it not slip out of the connector when you're not using a clamping mechanism like we are.
Yeah.
So that's a good thing. And the other thing is, pull that lead out of the cheaper lead out of the mech, out of the clamping mech, and can you twist that end off? Just
Oh, yeah. So if we look at this end,
hang on, I'll just I might zoom out in a little bit, I should say. Oh, okay. Now, I'm not sure if that's a good thing or a bad thing, because the last thing you would want is to, in fact, break the connection out of the back of your equipment. Just try the Monster one, see whether you can, because that's one of their claims to fame, is that that's particularly strong. And it would seem that it is.
yeah.
Yeah, okay.
So
So on a positive note, the good thing about the Monster lead, if it's in fact a good thing at all, is that rather than breaking the lead, you will in fact smash the lead out of the back of your equipment. So I'm not sure that that's a good thing at all. What do you think?
no, I'd rather
Show us your TV presentation skills.
I'd rather damage the lead
I think so.
than damage the equipment you plug into, and that's why we did the test rig.
Yeah. We want to test the cable to back shell connection, which is the one that really in fact needs to be maintained, we feel. Alright, and on that note, we'll go back to the studio and talk about it.
Thanks, guys.